The last defining quality of science that I really want you to think about is that science is a complex social activity that builds upon itself. Science never happens in a vacuum, it is collaborative. Scientists that see farther have stood on the shoulders of giants. Science builds upon itself. So, as an example, consider the first electronic, digital, programmable computer built in 1943 and deemed Colossus. This thing weighed 30 tons. Remember, a ton is 2,000 pounds. So it's like 60,000 pounds. And it consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes, right? Where 0 or 1 is the position of the ball in the tube. From that Colossus to this iPhone, right? That sits in my pocket with a processor that is orders of magnitude faster and smaller. And from iPhones to this incredible flourishing of artificial intelligence that we have now entered. So, the fastest processor today, now in 2024, is 75 quadrillion times faster than Colossus. Hard to think about that number, 75 quadrillion. But just take a moment and imagine where it's going in your lifetime. The futurists, like you'll hear from next, talk about processors becoming so small and so powerful that they can be directly injected into our bloodstream, seeking out and delivering medication to individual cells at the cellular level. They refer to this as the great singularity, when we biologically merge with our tech instead of just holding it in our hands. So I know the final TED Talk is a little bit long. Listen to the entire thing if you're into it. But I've also put a time stamp on it. So just listen to a few minutes of it while you think about how science is this complex social exercise which builds upon the ideas that came before.